Here's what you'll need for my cod piccata. It's normally made with veal or chicken, but works just as well with cod. Cod fillets, some garlic, some dill or parsley or chives, it's for decoration mainly. Lemon, an onion or shallot, some butter, some capers, some white wine, and almond flour. If you haven't got almond flour, don't worry, you can just use plain flour. First thing we're going to do, get your flour, salt and pepper onto a plate, and then we're just going to dip your fillets into there so they're nicely coated. With your fish coated, it's time to go into the pan with a bit of butter and then some olive oil to stop your butter burning. Once your oil looks hot enough, just flick some water in there. When it reacts like that, you know it's hot enough. It's time to go in with your cod fillets. You're going to cook these for 2 or 3 minutes on either side till they're nicely brown. Once it's nicely brown, I'm going to put that onto a side plate and then get on with the sauce. I'm going to chop the onion and garlic into tiny bits, and the easiest way I've found is to use machinery. If you haven't got a little mini blender, then you'll have to use your chopping skills. On with your lemon. All we'll do is cut that in half and get the juice out of it. Into a pan with a bit more butter and oil, and then mix in with your minced onion and garlic. I'm going to give them a couple of minutes just to soften down. When your onion garlic's had a minute or two, it's time to go in with your white wine. Turn your heat up, bring that to a boil, and then we're going to reduce it by a half. With your wine reduced down, it's time to go in with your lemon juice and your capers. And just heat them through for a couple of minutes. Then finally you can add your dill, parsley, chives, whatever you've chosen into your sauce. Give that a mix. Then it's ready for your fish. With your sauce nice and hot, finally you're going back in with your cod fillets just to warm them through for 2 or 3 minutes. Once everything's come together, all that's left is to plate it up